Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Yanalise Mercado. You can call me Yanni. So I'm going to be making a video of how to make green salsa. It's like an easy recipe to make, and it's something to like kind of like spice up your life, no pun intended. But you know, just to kind of like give you a little bit more flavor into your dishes. And especially, you know, me being a college student, and maybe a lot of you guys being college students as well. You guys are, just saying. You know, it'd be great to just have like this recipe ready, you know, just as something to add flavor to your food, you know, nothing so boring. And this is going to be a recipe that my mom makes all the time. I've never made it before, so this is going to be a how-to video for myself as well. We're both going through this together. And I have my friend Evelyn in the back recording for me. That's my friend Evelyn. Thanks, girly. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so one thing that my mom always does is that when she tries to make salsa, she always does the same amount of tomatillos to serrano peppers. So I'm gonna be using 6 tomatillos, 6 serrano peppers, some onion to add into the boiling water, a tooth of garlic, and also some garlic powder and some salt. So first thing we need to do is get a bowl. So, I'm gonna grab this one right here. That's not a bowl.
Pot.
A pot. Thanks, Evelyn. So we're gonna add some water in this real quick. I feel like that's a good amount. Yeah. So you don't want to add a lot to it, you know, just enough that you feel like covers enough of your vegetables. I don't know. And I'm gonna put it at like around high, because pretty much what you want to do is just like boil that bitch. We're gonna come over here. I forgot something. We're supposed to chop up the little thingies. Make sure that this is chopped off, the little stems. You don't want the stems in there. Throw that away. We want a clean kitchen. We want a clean kitchen. Where's the trash can? We're gonna go ahead and put the tomatillos in there. And then we got your serrano peppers. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some onion and some garlic. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that seems pretty good. A tooth of garlic. Oh god. Woo! Add that in there. Oh yes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some salt and some garlic powder. Nothing crazy. Oh, I feel like a chef right there, which I'm not. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and let it boil for like maybe like around like 10 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. Ooh, it's looking good. Yay! Alright, Evelyn, get a little closer. So that was like maybe around like 10 to 15 minutes. So you go ahead and turn that off. What do you do next? Oh yeah, so what we do next, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the blender. Oh, can I take it? There you go. You're gonna wanna plop everything in there, including the onion and the garlic.
It's also 10:30 at night.
We're just here trying to make salsa. You're gonna go ahead and add some water in here. We're just gonna go ahead and blend.
Blend away.
Oof. Alright, let's try this, test this out. Oh, that's hot! No! Let it cool down for a bit and then test it. Now I'm gonna add some cilantro. I should have done this, but my mom, she adds some avocado. I should have added avocado in this. Look good? Mm-hmm. Ah! Alright you guys, I also wanted to show you how you can easily add the salsa to any type of dish that you want. You can easily just add this salsa to your eggs. Wow. Alright you guys, thanks for watching my video. Honestly, this is just like a dish for you to just really be able to just kind of like, you know, be able to make something simple and be able to add more flavor to your dishes. If I can do it, you guys can do it. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.